Wheels, a big important piece of the racing game, and obviously for all these race cars. We're here with Kelly from AERO Race Wheels. First things first, how has this week been for you?
It's been awesome. I'm telling you what, there is a lot of racers here. Now that the heat is gone, I think they're going to get a little bit more exciting racing, even though the last two nights have been exciting. But I think racing tonight is going to prove to be the best night.
Tell us about AERO Race Wheels.
So we're a family-owned company. We've been around since 1995. We've been with IMCA, I believe, for at least 25 years. And we try to make sure that we're down here supporting the IMCA racers at least this week every year.
We saw the Mod Lights big dance the other night, and looked like a bunch of those AERO Race Wheels were out there. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so they're definitely a growing class, and we have, it was actually an INEX wheel that we developed for the Legend Racing INEX, and we took it out on its own and promoted it to the Mod Lights. So it's a 13-pound, 13-inch. You can get a 13.7 or 13x8. On the non-locks, and we also created a lightweight 13-inch bead lock for the right rears as well for those Mod Lights.
Tell us about AERO a little bit and why your product is set apart from anybody else.
Well, I think the biggest thing is the majority of our wheels are engineered and manufactured by racers for racers. So we wouldn't put anything on the racetrack that we wouldn't be 100% proud of and 100% stand behind.
Where can we find you if you're not, if people aren't here at Super Nationals?
We're based out of Northwest Iowa in Esterville. Obviously, you can always catch us at www.aeroracewheels.com. And we have a ton of distributors across the U.S. that do an awesome job at getting our wheels out to you guys every day.
Thanks for your time. Best of luck this week.
Thank you.